This is dinner tonight. We're taking the ground chicken that I put Tex-Mex on and mixing it with mayonnaise. Putting it on a sandwich. Genius, I know. You know, like chicken salad sandwiches? With like, what is it called? Celery and peppers and stuff. This is mayonnaise salad chicken sandwiches. Chicken mayonnaise salad sandwiches. You put mayonnaise on it too. Oh, geez. I'm liking a lot of it. Save some for later though. And you mix it all up. Mixy mix. Not too much mayonnaise, obviously. Oh, look at this. Look at Judy Monster. Judy Monster's like, oh no, you wrecked it. They don't like mayonnaise that much. I'm sure they'd eat it. They kind of a bunch of chicken in it too. Jude's a bird dog. Yeah. We had chickens and Jude kept going after him for food. They'd eat like the raw chicken.